Well, here she is. This is the air compressor that I found. Obviously, I painted the tank. I just had some leftover paint, so I used that. I used the cable or the air hose from the little pancake one that I have from Harbor Freight. This is Harbor Freight Central or Central Pneumatic air compressor. Um, when I plugged it in, at first it would just start it up, and I found that the on-off switch was non-functional. It would just stay on. There was no um, it was like worn out. So that is the money that I spent on this thing. I got a new on-off switch for this, and I did get some new oil, and I got this air blaster that was $9 at Harbor Freight. I turned it on, and the on-off switch is working perfectly. The reason why I'm not demonstrating it is so loud. It does shut off at 100 psi like it's supposed to. The tool pressure is set for 90 psi. That's what the air compressor, that's what the gun can take. There are equipment that could go higher, but it seems to work normally. Oh, I did buy oil for it, air compressor oil, because it didn't have any. And I tried putting in oil, and I couldn't get a reading on the oil level indicator there, which is now perfect. But this thing seems to work really good. I basically got it for free. I bought the gun for $9. The on-off switch was actually the whole mechanism inside too, the wiring, for $9 on Amazon. And that is it. The rest I just kind of cleaned up, and it seems to work very well. Cleaned it all up, cleaned up the wheels. They spin really nice now. Took the paint off of the plastic shroud and the handle that was on it. And that is it. Not too bad. Got myself a new air compressor for about 20 bucks, with new parts that I replaced that were damaged that needed to be replaced. And when I hit the air gun, it is strong. I mean, it really blows anything around. It's really, really strong, which is cool for my motors if I want to blow out debris in them. So I'm very pleased with that. It's a nice cord. It works good. You can turn it on. As it builds up pressure, the gun gets stronger. Like I said, it's pretty loud. You can see how strong it gets. See it moving. Way better than buying compressed air. So there doesn't appear to be any leaks in it. And the release valve is here. I actually put this little dinghy on it so I can and I put new tape on these things, you know, the plumber's tape for pipes and stuff like that. But this thing's sweet, works good.